Hi there, Rita Wall, Complete Relocation Solutions. Working at a house on the west side of Indianapolis, and it's a beautiful sunny day, January 10th. And it's a household clean out. Unfortunately, the wife passed away and the husband had moved to Virginia, but it's pretty well loaded. We've already started cleaning out the living room, and all the bags are donation in this room. And we've separated donation from selling items. This is the dining room. And my faithful team member is separating items for sale and for donation. The kitchen, haven't started this room yet. So this is the before picture. This is the sunroom, which we have cleared out, believe it or not. We've put the trash in this room and set up items for sale. Then we'll walk back through the kitchen. We'll skip the basement. It's a dark house. Master bedroom. This room we have totally completed. Emptied the closet. Take you upstairs. We're going to be selling 2 cars. This is out to the garage. We have them charging right now. We have a Chrysler Town car and a 1993 Chevrolet. So we're charging the cars for the owner so we can sell them. And we'll go upstairs. The house is very dark. Piles of items everywhere. This was the owner's office, which we haven't tackled. Then we go through to the Jack and Jill bathroom, to the 3rd bedroom, which I don't know if you could see, it's pretty dark. But we haven't tackled this room yet either. Rita Wall, Complete Relocation Solutions, can help you and your family declutter, downsize, and get your house ready for real estate options. 317-514-9793.